Is your JD Edwards ERP system delivering maximum value? If you're still relying on manual processes and complex customizations, the answer is probably no. It's time to stop the costly workarounds and unlock the true potential of your data. We introduced the Swift AI Agent Store, a revolutionary no-code plus AI platform built specifically to instantly innovate and optimize your JD Edwards ecosystem. The Swift Agent Store is your one-stop shop for powerful, pre-built AI agents that transform your core business operations right out of the box. Need to stabilize your supply chain? Deploy the Supply Chain Agent for intelligent inventory management and procurement decisions. Want continuous financial control? The Finance Agent provides automated anomaly detection and real-time transaction monitoring, strengthening your internal controls. Looking to maximize asset uptime? Our Maintenance Agent turns reactive schedules into a proactive system with predictive failure alerts and optimized work order scheduling. From master data governance to regulatory compliance and comprehensive customer, employee, and supplier onboarding and self-service, we have an agent for every critical business process. Accelerate your innovation cycle. Empower your business users with agility and enable your IT team with the foundational compliance. Visit our agent store to explore the full library of agents, or better yet, sign up for a free Swift trial. You'll get a fully functional pre-integrated JDE instance and see the power of AI in minutes.